package from Amazon. I'm gonna have to buy a different container to hold these blender pens because you can tell here it's not in the best ship state and can put them back. So these are the colors that came in the 48 Real Blush blender pens. It comes with an actual water brush pen, and so I'm really looking forward to using these with my project. So earlier today I was able to use the embossing folder for this specific package. Comes with 6 dies, an embossing folder that is a spider web, and 9 different stamps. So I actually was able to open this and use the Hocus Pocus Suzic framelits. Texture fades with stamps. So I ended up stamping them with VersaFine. Let me see here. Pigment ink for fine details. A friend of mine had recommended this to me because even though I use like Stays On and I can't remember what was the other one that I used, but the permanent ink pad with black, it would always just bleed. And so I'm really hoping that this one will work out. Well, I was going to show you all the other pens that I received, but some of them are cracked and just didn't work out. And so I'm going to have to figure out what to do with them. But I'm really excited to use these, and I've seen videos out there. If I can try to figure out how to do it, I'll link the Amazon page with the video that actually shows how these blending inks work. And I think I found another one in YouTube that, ooh, my puppy, that actually shows someone using these. So in all due fairness, I do have the fan going in the background, so I'm hoping that's not going to cause any issues with this. So let's see how this works here. So, oh my gosh, look at that. Can you see that? Wow. Okay, so I'm excited. I'm gonna start using it immediately here. Look at that. Wow. That, can y'all see that? Wow. Okay, let me see if I can color this and see what happens. Too bad. I mean, I think it's because I'm nervous and trying to record this, having my son helping me do it because my tripod is broken or I can't find it somewhere. And I think if you look closely here, you can see how it starts to just bleed in and real pretty. Now the cool thing is I'm going to Sizzix this and cut it with the die cuts, but I'll go by over here a little bit and kind of fix it a little bit more. But I think that I really love these pens, these markers. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I highly recommend this product. It's called the, whoops, there you go, Arteza Unique Colors Blendable Water-Based Ink. I got the 48 count. I think Amazon was doing like a $22 because it's regular 36 or something. And they're not pens, they're brushes. So, and it also includes a really cute blender brush. So, I'm going to have some fun this evening. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, leave some comments what you think I should be doing different or what you like. Have a great evening, have a great day, good afternoon, and we'll see you back here soon. Bye.